YouTube channel. I'm so happy to be back again with another video. For those new subscribers in the house, thanks so much for tuning in, and if you do like this video, don't forget to like and please subscribe if you like my content. Today guys, I have another makeup tutorial. This makeup is for anybody, like if you're going to work, you're in a rush, you want to go somewhere, you don't want to have so much makeup, this is the makeup for you. So it's just 10 minutes or 10-15 minutes, and I hope you enjoy. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to be applying, let me show you the water. Guys, cold water is good. Like the weather is so hot today here in Ireland. You just want to drink water all the time. I even have ice inside this one, so it's really shit. Before I start guys, I'm just going to be applying my rose water. So this water is really good. It's an hydrating facial mist as well. Like I just put this all over my face. Like I said, it's really warm today, so this is just going to hydrate me a little bit. The smell is amazing. I love rose water. I love this thing. It's my holy grail. I use it every day. So I apply my moisturizer. I already did that off camera. Now I'm going to be going straight with the primer, and the one I'm using is the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Primer. So I always like to actually do my eyebrow before my primer. I don't know, I forgot. So right now it's just going to be more harder for me because I have oily skin around this area. So for me to use my eyebrow pencil now, it's just going to be slippery. To really bring that down, I'm going to be using my Mascara translucent powder. I always get sweating around this area guys. Combo skin, if you don't know guys, I have a combo skin. This area is a problem. Like you have to always make sure you treat this area really well or else. The eyebrow pencil I'm using is my Fenty Beauty Pro MVP Pro Pencil, and it's in which shade is this? It's in soft black. So I'm going to be cleaning my eyebrow with my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NW45. A 10 minutes makeup. If you don't have the time, like if I'm actually in extreme rush, I don't clean my eyebrow. I don't even do my eyebrow. I just go like that. Just comb my eyebrow. I'm ready to go. I only do this maybe I really have time with that 10 minutes. I'm not in extreme rush. I'm going to be using my foundation to clean the top of my brow. I'm going to be using today right now is my Revolution Pro 6C Perfecting Foundation in F16. I'm going to be using my Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush. I'm just going to use my beauty blender to put everything together. Concealer I'm using guys is my Elegant concealer in Toast. I normally use the Fawn as well, but I just think Fawn is a little bit light for a daytime look for me if I really want to go natural. So this one is more darker. So I'm going to be using my beauty blender, but this one is not really beauty blender, my sponge. Going to my fan, I'm just going to be putting a little bit, just concentrate it on this area because here is where I really want to cover more. I'm going to be using my Mascara translucent powder to set my under eyes. With my Elegant concealer, I'm just going to be using that on my eyelid. So I'm going with the Toast. I'm going to be going with my Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch setting powder in Nutmeg. I'm going to be using that to set my eyelid just to stop it from creasing because I really have oiling all over there. I'm going to be using my Sigma Tampered Blending Brush in E40. I need to do that or else, guys, you won't even believe the amount of oil you're going to be seeing all over my eyelid in the next minutes. This really helps. I'm going to be using my new contour palette. I was actually looking for a contour palette that has everything like contour, a bronzer, blush, everything. It's so hard to find the perfect one for dark skin tone. I went to Revolution Pro and I found this one. This one is Tammy times Revolution. I don't know if you guys know this YouTuber called Tammy. I know she have done a few collaboration with Revolution. I've never really bought anything from her really, but when I saw this one I was like, yeah, this is it. It's called Golden Hour by Tammy. Is this not pretty? But I hope it looks like this when I apply it right now. This one is really good for like traveling. You know, when you want to travel, you don't want to start picking different palettes. It's better when everything is in one pack, and this is going to be a very good travel palette. I'm just going to be taking this shade called Contour Shake. Guys, this is nice. This is really pigmented, like very pigmented. So I decided to use a powder contour, guys, because your girl, she don't have the time right now to do liquid. Liquid just kind of take time to blend. Gonna dust everything out. I'm going to be taking a clean brush. I'm just going to be using it to blend everything together. So I'm going to be going with the bronze belly. I'm just going to be using that to bronze my face. I'm going to be using this my brush I got from Amazon. Guys, this brush broke today, so I'm just going to be using that to bronze. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, guys. This is so nice. Guys, this bronzer is really pigmented. So that's for the bronzer. The same palette, guys, I'm going to be using my blush. So this one is a blush Baby Girl. When you don't have time in the morning, you don't have time for blush, because it's a video, I'm just trying to hide extra. You can actually skip. You don't need a blush. If you don't want to, just because I'm using this new blush palette right now, I'm just so tempted to use it. Normally, I won't use blush if I'm in a rush. You get what I mean? Just set my under eyes a little bit more. I'm going to be going in with my mascara, and I don't really want to do anything on my eyes. Like I said, it's a natural look. This is a new mascara that I just bought as well. This one is L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise. I've not tried this. I've been hearing about it, and I thought, let me give it a try. Oh my god, it's really nice. I love this. I love mascara that just had volume to my lashes straight away. And that is what this mascara is just doing right now. Rimmel Soft High Pencil in black. I'm just going to be using this on my waterline. This one is just going to make me feel like I'm wearing something on my eyes, even though I'm not wearing false eyelashes. It's just going to add extra to my eyes. Again, guys, you can actually skip. So I'm just going to be using powder all over those areas that I did not really contour. Powder I'm using is a Revolution Pro CC Perfecting Press Powder in Deep. Highlighting with the Tammy Golden Hour, just a tiny bit of that. It's a very nice highlighter. It's really pigmented. You just have to be very soft with it, gentle with it, or else you're going to put too much for an everyday look. This one will be very good when you're going out, like you really want to pop your highlights. I'm going to be adding a tiny bit to my nose. I'm tempted to add more to this highlight, but you can't tempt me, okay? You can't tempt me. I'm tempted right now to I feel like adding more, but I'm scared. I just don't want to add too much. Remember, this is a 10-minute look. So now let's go to the lipping. I don't want to really use a lip liner. I really want this look to be very subtle. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I just want to put that on my lips. gloss really pop more, guys, I'm gonna be adding this clear lip gloss. Sun is out right now. I don't know if you guys can. Don't know if you guys can see me anymore. Guys, this is the final look. I think it's not bad. I think for an everyday look, a look that just feels like I woke up like this. You can't believe I almost forgot to spray my finishing spray, and I have not actually used rose water to finish my makeup. I'm just used to like adding it before makeup. But right now, I want to give this one a try. Let's see. What I love about this rose water, whenever I just spray it on my face, it just revives me. It's so refreshing. It makes me feel like I just spray water on my face. It's really good. I love it. I think it's very subtle. It's very dewy. Is it dewy? Anyway, dewy is very dewy. Yeah, it's really nice for summer. You can add more to it. Eyelashes, add eyelashes, but I decided to go without eyelashes because I don't wear eyelashes when I'm really on the go. I see the way the sun is reflecting on my lips. I didn't know that this lip gloss has a lot of glint. Like the glitter right now is blinding me. I have to be careful. So anyways, guys, I really like this look. That kind of a look that you can just go anywhere with it. You don't have to add too much lip gloss the way I did it now. You can just maybe use a matte lipstick instead if that's what you prefer. Just do it wherever way you like. The most important thing is you're looking glam but very natural. You think it's a very nice look? Just let me know what you think in the comment section. I know it took a little bit longer to make right now. It looks longer when you're talking, but if you really want to do this, maybe I'm not talking, trust me, I can do this like I would say 10-15 minutes, depends on how quick I am. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. So that's it.